If you are looking for the best strip light for your home, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will be discussing the different types of strip lights available on the market, as well as their pros and cons. We hope you will be able to find the perfect strip light for your needs. Our first choice is Lepro 16.4 feet LED light strip. Lepro LED strip lights are perfect for any home improvement project. These 16.4-foot dimmable vanity lights provide 6000 K of super bright LED light, making it easy to see in any room. The 300 LEDs 2835 are perfect for use in the kitchen, under cabinet, or in the bedroom. The strong 3M adhesive is perfect for use in any home. Lepro LED strip lights are a great way to improve your home. If you need the product details, please check the video description box. Our second choice is Gusodor 32.8 feet smart LED lights. Gusodor's 32.8-foot LED light strip is perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and even kitchens. With the ability to change colors and sync with music, these lights will transform any room into a party space. And thanks to the included remote control and app, it's easy to get the perfect lighting effect. Gusodor's LED strip lights are a great option for anyone looking to add some extra light to their home. Our third choice is GE Smart LED Light Strip. Gusodor LED strip lights are the perfect way to liven up your home. With 32.8 feet of lights, you can create any mood you want, whether it's a party atmosphere or a relaxing ambience. The smart LED lights are controlled by a remote app, so you can easily change the colors and settings. The music sync feature is great for setting the mood at any gathering. Our fourth choice is Philips Hue Bluetooth Smart Light Strip. The Philips Hue Bluetooth Smart Light Strip Plus 2M 6-foot base with plug is a voice-compatible light strip that can be controlled with Amazon Alexa. The light strip can be used to add accent lighting to any room and is easy to install. The base has a built-in speaker that allows you to control the light strip with your voice. The light strip can also be controlled with the Philips Hue app. If you need the product details, please check the video description box. Our last choice is Kasa Smart Premium LED Light Strip. Kasa Smart's KL430 LED light strip is a top-of-the-line product that offers 16 color zones, RGB IC capabilities, and 1400 lumens of brightness. It is also compatible with both Alexa and Google Home for your convenience. Furthermore, the PU coating protects against wear and tear, and the 2-year warranty guarantees satisfaction. I hope you find your best light strip for home. If you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.